All right, let's do a little update, or actually, let's try something different. For those of you that just happen to randomly come across this video, please allow me to preface the situation. Quite a while back, I started throwing random videos up here on YouTube. Most of the time I was using YouTube as a place to store my videos. I really had no idea what YouTube was all about. Then in January 2017, I posted my first vlog.
Hey guys, this is Daniel Ziegler, aka Dansbeard, and this is vlog number 1.
And then shortly after that, I posted my first beardscaping video.
Plugging away. Good to go. Super simple, that's all that it is.
And I continued with the random vlog stuff, and within the randomness, the haircut and the beard stuff was in the mix, and it didn't take too long for me to notice that the haircut and the beard videos, they were actually picking up a great deal of traction. And with that being said, I pretty much honed in on that and made the primary focus of this channel that beard and hair stuff. But don't get me wrong, I still like integrating the adventure stuff, but it seems like the beard and hair stuff are what most of you are here for. Fast forward a couple years, September 2019, I shaved my head for a film/photo project in Iceland.
Super heavy, super cold. I wish I had my damn board, but now we're back to the bus.
With the beard struggle, and I haven't touched the hair since. Now, the initial purpose of growing back out my hair was for another project, but that project had been canceled due to travel restrictions, and I was stuck there for a second trying to figure out what to do, but I was still making beard trimming videos and adventure videos and posting some of them on here. And a lot of that content I was actually posting up on Instagram and TikTok. Now, that was along with some skincare stuff because the Beard Struggle had actually come out with a skincare lineup in that time frame. So it was actually perfect timing because that helped me fill the void in regard to content. But then I had an aha moment, and I thought to myself, I should donate my hair. So that's what I've pretty much, the goal has been, is to get past that 12-inch mark, which it is right now. So now it's time to chop off the mop. And long story long, we're gonna head to London, and my buddy Dean, he's going to do the deed. He's gonna chop off my hair and we're gonna donate it. And actually, here's a little clip of Dean and I.
Problem's not with you. Dan Ziegler. Now you can keep your products, because I'm coming to steal your girl. I've heard she's a sucker for a British accent.
I'm not even upset. It makes me want to go out and grab a cup of tea.
Super stoked to actually go across the pond and visit Dean in London. I've never been to London, so that should be cool all in itself. Now, in regard to the cut, nothing's definitive yet as far as plans, but I was thinking a proper fade with a hard part, and then later on doing a number 2 buzz cut. But then I would like to try a Viking cut to where have the long hair, there's an undercut, braids going down on the side, but I really don't know how to integrate all of that with still being able to donate my hair. So with all of that being said, if you have any ideas on how I can do all that, on how I can do the Viking haircut along with the proper fade with still being able to maintain the length in order to donate, please hook a brother up with your ideas on that. And then also, in the beginning I was saying how this was initially going to be more so a catch-up video. I do want to catch up with you, so if you have any comments or questions that you may have put on another video that I never replied back to, please leave them in the comment box below so that I can get to them as soon as possible. And I think we're heading to London the 25th of this month, being August 2022. So hopefully I can get to those questions and comments before then. But anyhow, I'm rambling now. For those of you that are new to the channel, I tend to do that quite a bit. Yes, we're gonna cut it right there. As always, I hope that you found this video helpful, perhaps, or probably more so intriguing. If you did, please go ahead and give this a thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed, please consider subscribing. Until the next one, peace! We out.